Hi viewers, welcome to MA Math Academy. In this video, I am going to explain important form questions from the chapter Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Important form questions. Let's see first problem. Solve 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. So given equations are 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. Given pair of linear equations are two by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. So in this type of problems we have to consider 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. So I am going to consider 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Then these equations will become 2 into 1 by x means 2a plus 3 into 1 by is nothing but 3b, that is equals to 13. Make it as equation 1. And here 5 by x will become 5a minus 4 by y will become 4b, that is equals to minus 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. So we can solve these two equations by using substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. If they mention to solve these equations graphically, then you have to solve the given equation only in graphical method. So if they don't mention any method, then according to our convenience we can use the appropriate method. So 2a plus 3b is equals to 13 and 5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2. So I am going to do this solve these two equations by using elimination method. In this method, any one of the variables should be eliminated, either a or b. Here I want to eliminate variable a. So in that case what we have to do means we have to find the LCM of these two coefficients. Here in first equation coefficient of a is 2 and in second equation coefficient of a is 5. So what is the LCM of 2 and 5? It's 10. So we have to equate these coefficients to 10. So if I multiply this first equation with 5, 2 into 5 will get 10. And if I multiply the second equation by 2, multiply with 2, then we get 10a. So then we can subtract those two equations to eliminate this. So equation 1 should be multiplied with 5 and equation 2 should be multiplied with 2. So then we have to find the difference of these two equations. We get 2 into 5 is 10a plus 3 into 5 is 15b, 13 into 5 is 65. And this second equation should be multiplied with 2. So 5 2's 10 minus 4 2's 8 So you get 8b. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So here I am going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. So while doing subtraction, the signs will change here. So this, here we are doing subtraction. So plus 10a will become minus 10a. Minus 8b will become plus 8b. And minus 4 will become plus 4. So here plus 10 minus 10 gets cancelled. Plus 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23b is equals to 65 plus 4 is 69. So from this we get b is equals to 69 by 23, which is equals to 3. So we got b value as 3. So now on substituting this b is equals to 3 in either first equation or second equation, we get the value of a. Substitute b is equals to 3 in equation 1. So 2a plus 3 into, what's the value of b? 3 is equals to 13. Then we get 2a plus 3 3s are 9, which is equals to 13. 2a is equals to 13 minus 9 equals to 4. Then we get a is equals to 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So we got the value of a as 2. But here our intention is to find the values of x and y, not a and b. Here we considered 1 by x is equals to a. Since 1 by x is equals to a, we get 1 by x is equals to 2. Then x is equals to 1 by 2. And here 1 by y is equals to b. So 1 by y is equals to, here we got b value as 3. So substitute that value. Then we will get y is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, the required values of x and y are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively. And the next one is, in this first problem itself, I am going to solve 5 problems. In that second problem, that is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. So here given pair of linear equations are, or given pair of equations are 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. Here in this case, in previous problem we considered 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Why? Because we are having x and y in denominators. But here we are having root x and root y as denominators. So here we have to consider 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y is equals to b. Then the given equations will become 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. Make it as equation 1 and 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Make it as equation 2. So here also I am going with elimination method. I am going to equate either a coefficients or b coefficients. Here if I multiply this first equation with 2, then this coefficient of a will become 4. Here the coefficient of coefficient of a in second equation is also 4. So after equating the coefficients, I can solve this problem. So I am going to multiply equation with 2 and subtract it from the second equation. So we get, so on multiplying this first equation with 2, we get 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 6b, 2 2s are 4. And second equation is 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. I am not changing this second equation, I am writing it as it is. So here if you observe, the coefficients of a in both the equations are equal. Since we are doing subtraction, the signs will change here. Plus 4a will become minus 4a, minus 9b will become plus 9b, minus 1 will become plus 1. So here plus 4a minus 4a gets cancelled. 6b plus 9b is equals to 15b. That is equals to 4 plus 1 will get 5. So b is equals to 5 by 15, which is equals to 1 by 3. So we got b value as 1 by 3. Now substitute b is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Substitute b is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Then we get 2a plus 3 into b value is 1 by 3, which is equals to 2. Here 3 gets cancelled. 2a plus 1 is equals to 2. 2a is equals to 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1. Then we get a is equals to 1 by 2. So here we know that 1 by root x is equals to a. What is the value of a? 1 by 2. And 1 by root y is equals to b, and b is 1 by 3. So here we get root x is equals to 2, root y is equals to 3. Then we get squaring on both sides, we get x is equals to 2 square, which is equals to 4. And root y is equals to 3, and squaring on both sides we get y is equals to 3 square, which is equals to 9. So the required values of x and y are 4 and 9. And next pair of equations are 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So here given pair of equations are, given pair of linear equations are 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2, which is equals to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2, which is equals to 1. Here we have to consider 1 by x minus 1 as a and 1 by y minus 2 as b. Let 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b. Then the given equations will become 5a plus 1 by y minus 2 is nothing but b is equals to 2. Make it as equation 1, and 6 by x minus 1 will become 6a minus 3 by y minus 2 will become 3b, that is equals to 1. Make it as equation 2. Here the coefficient of b is 1. Here the coefficient of b is minus 3. So LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So if I multiply first equation with 3, then here I'll get 5a, coefficient of b will become plus 3b. If I multiply the second equation with 1, coefficient of b will be minus 3. Then plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So here I am going to multiply first equation with 3 and multiply the second equation with 1 itself. And adding these two equations, we will get 5 into 3 is 15a plus b into 3 is 3b, that is equals to 2 into 3 is 6. So if I multiply the second equation with 1, we will get the same equation, that is 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Here I am going to add these two equations. So while adding, the signs will not change, they will remain as it is. So here plus 3 minus 3b gets cancelled. 15a plus 6a is 21a, that is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you will get a is equals to 7 by 21, which is equals to 1 by 3. So the value of a is 1 by 3. Now substitute a is equals to 1 by 3 in any one of the equations. I am going to substitute a is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 2. Then I will get 6 into a is 1 by 3 minus 3b is equals to 1. 3 ones, 3 twos. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 3b is equals to 1. Then 2 minus 1 is equals to 3b. 3b is equals to 1. There I will get b is equals to 1 by 3. So here we got a is equals to 1 by 3 and b is equals to 1 by 3. But here a means 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 is equals to a. What's the value of a? 1 by 3. And here we consider 1 by y minus 2 as b. 1 by y minus 2 is equals to b value is 1 by 3. So here we get x minus 1 is equals to 3 and y minus 2 is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 plus 1 and here y is equals to 3 plus 2. We'll get x is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4. Y is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. So the required values of x and y are 4 and 5. And fourth question, solve x plus y by xy is equals to 2 and x minus y by xy is equals to 6. So we have to find the solution. Here given equations are x plus y by xy is equals to 2 and x minus y by xy is equals to 6. Then we get x by xy plus y by xy is equals to 2 and here x by xy minus y by xy is equals to 6. Here xx gets cancelled, here yy gets cancelled. Here xx gets cancelled, yy gets cancelled. Then the given equations will become 1 by y plus 1 by x is equals to 2. 1 by y minus 1 by x is equals to 6. Now we have to consider 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Then we will get b plus a is equals to 2. Make it as equation 1 and the second equation b minus a is equals to 6. Make it as equation 2. So instead of assuming 1 by x is equals to and 1 by y is equals to, directly also you can solve this problem. So now I am going to add these two equations. Equation 1 and 2. Then we get b plus a is 2, b minus a is equals to 6. Here I am going to add these two equations. Here plus a minus a will get cancelled. B plus b will become 2b. 2 plus 6 is 8. So 2b is equals to 8. That implies b is equals to 8 by 2, which is equals to 4. Substitute b is equals to 4 in equation 1 or 2. I am going to substitute in equation 1. B value is 4 plus a is equals to 2. Then we will get a is equals to 2 plus 4 will become minus 4 when it goes to RHS. So 2 minus 4, a is equals to minus 2. So a is minus 2 and b is 4. So here we have 1 by x is equals to a, which is equals to minus 2, and 1 by y is equals to b, which is equals to 4. So here x will become minus 1 by 2 and y will become 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 are the required values for the given equation. And last problem in this Roman is solve 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y, that is equals to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y, that is equals to minus 1 by 8. So among all these 5 problems, this problem is very important problem. So given equations are 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. Here we have to consider 1 by 3x minus y is equals to a plus y is equals to a, and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to b. Then we get 1 by 3x plus y is a plus 1 by 3x minus y is b. A plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Make it as equation 1. And 1 by 2 into 3x plus y will become a by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y will become b by 2, which is equals to minus 1 by 8. So on simplifying, this equation will become a minus b is equals to minus 1 by 4. Make it as equation 2. So on adding equation 1 and 2, we get equation 1 plus equation 2 gives a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. A minus b is equals to minus 1 by 4. Since we are adding these two equations, the signs will not change. So plus b minus b gets cancelled. A plus a is 2a, that is equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. That implies we get a is equals to 1 by 2 into 2, that is equals to 1 by 4. So the value of a is 1 by 4. Now substitute a is equals to 1 by 4 in either equation 1 or 2. On substituting a is equals to 1 by 4 in equation 1, we get a is 1 by 4 plus b is equals to 3 by 4. Then we get b is equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 2 by 4. That is equals to 1 by 2. So we get b value as 1 by 2. So here we considered 1 by 3x plus y is a. So we get 1 by 3x plus y is a. What is the value of a here? 1 by 4. And 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. Then these equations will become 3x plus y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now consider this equation as 3 and equation 3x minus y is equals to 2 as 4. And adding equations 1 and 2, we get 3x plus y is equals to 4, 3x minus y is equals to 2. Since we are adding these two equations, signs will not change. Here plus y and minus y will get cancelled. 3x plus 3x is 6x. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6x is equals to 6. Then you will get x is equals to 6 by 6, which is equals to 1. Now substitute x is equals to 1 in equation 3 or 4. I am substituting in equation 3. Then we get 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4 minus 3 ones are 3. Y is equals to 1. Therefore, required values of x and y are 1, 1. X is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 is the required solution.